If you have money, you can buy anything.
I'm a cramp boy from the time he came. I'ma put my KB with the TNs up. I'ma represent my K to the day that I die. Y'all nigga break a late, but I ain't break a late. Try to reach the star, cause you know I have a big dream. Fuck you hater, I don't give a fuck, cause my boy got my back. Everywhere I go, evil sign on my head. Every tear, every light, destroyed by evil. I'm not a bad boy, with this sound I am. If you don't like, then don't fuck with me. I'ma throw my flag with my K on the sky. Y'all nigga coming back, know where I'm from. I don't give a fuck about who the fuck you are. Got a homie, got a bang. Nigga rolling with a motherfucker case up. Do what I do, y'all nigga don't talk shit. I'm not good enough for you hating, but I'm better than you. Figure try to sneak into my business, share with my own enemies. I would care my time to look for you, cause I ain't no longer trusting you. Don't fuck with my world. I guess you would never get to see your mama, cause I'ma let my dog eat your brain. Don't fuck with cram boy, I'ma throw my bullet to your face. Your pussy crew will scream my name.
Yeah, check me out, look. Yeah. When I was 15 years old, never give a fuck about anyone. Compensation, I just do what I'm supposed to do. You can't tell me nothing, you don't fucking pay me, I make my own money. Anyway, started from the bottom anytime it hit cat. Me and my whole team fucking here, yeah, right here. We don't give a dang, we don't give a fuck. Fuck, yes I down for my homie, yes I down for my boy. This the motherfucking Crab Boys gang that I bang with. Yeah. Crab Boys stand up. Where I go, where I be, I throw my side on my T's up. Fuck a fake friend, we don't need that. Real homie right here. Everything we do with the same thing. Niggas, you don't know who you fucking with. Trying to fuck around with Crab Boys gang, you will see what is going on. Crab Boys in the street, we will make a history. I'ma put my T's up till the day I rest in peace.
Cause my boy got my back. Everywhere I go, evil sign on my head. Every tear, every light, destroyed by evil. I'm not a bad boy, with this sound I am. If you don't like, then don't fuck with me. I'ma throw my flag with my K on the sky. Y'all nigga coming back, know where I'm from. I don't give a fuck about who the fuck you are. Got a homie, got a bang. Nigga rolling with a motherfucker case up. Do what I do, y'all nigga don't talk shit. I'm not good enough for you hating, but I'm better than you. Figure try to sneak into my business, share with my own enemies. I would care my time to look for you, cause I ain't no longer trusting you. Don't fuck with my world. I guess you would never get to see your mama, cause I'ma let my dog eat your brain. Don't fuck with cram boy, I'ma throw my bullet to your face. Your pussy crew will scream my name.
Yeah, check me out, look. Yeah. When I was 15 years old, never give a fuck about anyone. Compensation, I just do what I'm supposed to do. You can't tell me nothing, you don't fucking pay me, I make my own money. Anyway, started from the bottom anytime it hit cat. Me and my whole team fucking here, yeah, right here. We don't give a dang, we don't give a fuck. Fuck, yes I down for my homie, yes I down for my boy. This the motherfucking Crab Boys gang that I bang with. Yeah. Crab Boys stand up. Where I go, where I be, I throw my side on my T's up. Fuck a fake friend, we don't need that. Real homie right here. Everything we do with the same thing. Niggas, you don't know who you fucking with. Trying to fuck around with Cool Rap Boys gang, you will see what is going on. Cool Rap Boys in the street, we will make a history. I'ma put my T's up till the day I rest in peace.
Plants and animals. Which ones?